Hi guys, it's my first workshop and I'm really excited. It's so happy to see you guys here. So let's see what happens.
How are you feeling about this workshop?
It's good. I like teaching. I like it. It's nice. The vibes are good.
What do you think of the kids? So
They're good. They're good. Yes.